So before you can see donuts. These are chocolate donuts. And some bits have fallen off. These are from IKEA, from the restaurant and bistro at the we buy the Swedish food. So I thought I'd review them. They're relatively inexpensive. Excuse me. Yeah, so they're completely chocolate covered, apart from the bit where it's fallen off. And so they smell chocolatey. I'm pretty sure they are very chocolatey. Let's dig in. So obviously they don't make these on site. They get them from somewhere. But they're nice and soft. And they're very, very chocolatey. Very, very chocolatey. And very nice. So this is going to be a rather short video, with long pauses where I'm chewing. Yeah, so if you happen to be in an IKEA store and you feel like a donut, there are a couple other options, but this is a good option. This is a good option to go with. I would highly recommend these. So if you had them before, tell me in the comments below. Like, share, subscribe if you want, it's okay. And I'll see you another day.